Hi you guys, thanks for visiting my channel. Since you guys are here, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Now this beautiful yellow here, we're only going to apply it on the outer corner of their eye and right below the eyebrow. And as you see, I'm going to do very light circular motions until it's completely blended out. Now this beautiful orange here, we're going to apply it right above the yellow, and we're going to stay right below the yellow so the yellow still peeks out on the very top. And we want to make sure we blend it out so we remove any harsh lines in between the two shades. You guys, seriously, this is my first time recording horizontal, and it's going to take me some time to get used to it, so bear with me here. Now, if you guys know me, then you know purple is my favorite color, so I am very excited for this shade here. So I still kept it very low on the outer corner of my eye, and I still allowed for room for the orange and the yellow to appear, and I'm blending pretty much local in that area where I have the purple at. Now with an eyeshadow applicator, I'm going to be adding a very light shimmery eyeshadow to the inner corner of my eye all the way towards the midsection of my eye. Now I'll be using a blending brush to remove any harsh lines between the two shades. And oh my god, I literally fell off the floor when I saw my husband's feet. Now I just applied wispy eyelashes in the number 614. Now you can find those at Walmart for a few bucks. Seriously, I'm sorry, but I can't take this video serious with my husband's feet just dangling right there. I'm so sorry, you guys. So I'm trying to focus here, so bear with me. So I'm using a blending brush, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the harsh lines and blend out any edges that need to be blended. So I kind of work on this a little bit, and I try to not combine the three colors so they each stand out individually. And that looks decent, so I'm going to go ahead and move on, and we'll go ahead and get that cleaned up in just a few minutes. Now, the shade that I'm using here for my foundation is called Shinto 3. I am a beauty guide with Limelife by Alcone, so if you guys are interested in skincare or makeup, I'll go ahead and leave my link down below in the description box, and we can talk if you guys are interested. Now I'm going to go ahead and skip the concealer for today, and I'm just going to be applying a setting powder, this is a facial powder from Limelife, and this is the shade number 1 from Limelife, and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight around my eyes all the way up to my temples just to kind of give my face a little bit of a lift. Now with the same facial powder from Limelife, I'm going to be using the shade number 9 to contour and bronze my face. So we're just going to add a little bit of definition onto the cheeks, make that face look snatched. Now with that same beautiful purple eyeshadow, we're going to go ahead and shade in my under eyes, and we're going to kind of lift it up to connect to the upper portion of the eyeshadow. That is so beautiful. Next, I'll be applying Ruby Chocolate. This is a liquid matte lipstick from Limelife by Alcone. It's gorgeous. Now I'm going to be applying Inspire. It's a shimmery lip gloss from Limelife by Alcone, just to give it a little bit of a glowy look. And this, my friends, is it. This is the final look. Very simple, but yet very cute. Thanks so much for watching.